In this tutorial, we'll cover file servers. Under File Management, select File Servers. Note we have an internal FTP or TFTP server. By default, it is disabled. This is only available under Windows. To enable it, simply select it and click Enable. If you wanted to assign an external file server, we select New, give it a name, the description is optional. We can assign it to be an FTP as well as TFTP server, or simply a secure FTP or SCP server. We can use a host name and then click Resolve to get the IP address. The net mask here is used to identify this external IP address as proximity to the device that we are going to mediate. So if we only had one, this would be the one that would always be used. If we had multiple file servers, then let's say we had another one in the 1. Subnet, then if the device was in a 1. Subnet, it would be used with precedence over the 0. And vice versa. You assign a username and password. And select Save. And since this enabled checkbox is selected, as soon as we hit Save, this will be enabled. I'm not going to enable that. I will simply enable the internal. And now I can begin backing up and restoring files via FTP or TFTP. If I wish to use SCP or SFTP, then I would be required to create a new file server. And again, since the internal is only FTP or TFTP, if we were to attempt an SCP or SFTP restore or backup, it would fail. We would be required to have an SCP file server or SFTP file server.